this circle, this shape in here, and the corners and stuff, is what I want you to be experts on. We have three elements. We have the infinity symbol, the lazy 8. We have the green element, which is the pyramid, let's say. It does not connect on the base. It connects at the top. That's very important because it's a vector. And we have the gold right here, which is the emanation coming out of the center, okay, which is the primal point of unity. It's 0, where, and when. Why do I call this Easter eggs? Why do I call it cookie crumbs? And why do I say, well, the bounded infinity is what this is? Numbers are real. Because I'm about to show you, when we do a computer program, the programmers leave us little messages, if we are lucky enough to find them. God left us big messages. Okay? These are what are called his signs and attributes. Okay? Everyone still with me? Okay. So, we count on the circumference. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. But as I already said, time on the third dimension moves in a spiral, and it does not move linearly. So I'm going to show you, and everything starts from the inside out in creation. Everything inside out arose inside out. So we're going to now stick on time, though, and we're going to follow the pathway of time in our physical world, third dimension, curving, warped universe. Number one, we have no trouble with. One God, one universe. What does it do? It doubles to 2. What does 2 do? It doubles to 4. Well, that's definitely how things work in our universe. We have 4 cells, 8 cells in conception when we're conceived. Then we have 16, 32, 64, 128, 256. No trouble? Okay. Now 4 doubled and becomes 8. Okay? And 8 doubles and becomes 16. Okay? Now these charts I'm covering up, we're going to be coming back to, so you don't have to be concerned if you didn't see all the information. I'm going to actually reverse my path as well. So sure enough, I went 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. But on our circle here, we still have a 7. You see our 7 over here? Okay? Now, where did I get that 7 from? I said 1 plus 6 equals 7. No problem? As Alistair said, he said, like I'm going to repeat this. What did he say? Numerology is the something, something, something?
Yeah, I
forget what he said.
Yeah. Isn't that the problem with life? We hear all this great stuff and...
That's why we have this.
Right.
It's also interesting, though, the casting out 9. So another way to think of that is that it's the remainder. When you divide 9 into 16, you get 7. It's the remainder. It's how many you've gone over.
Say it one more time.
If you divide 9 into 16, you get 1 and 7 left over, right?
Yeah, taking a mod.
Right, you're doing mod 9 arithmetic, actually, with this
Wait,
casting out 9.
16 divided by 9 equals what?
Equals 1 with remainder 7. Right?
No, it can't be.
Oh, yeah.
Because 16 is 1 plus 6 is 7.
Right.
Oh,
so
1
you're looking at the
remainder 7?
You're looking at the remainder. Another way to look at what you're doing is to look at the remainder.
Oh.
This is casting out 9. You're casting out how many times 9 went into it, and you're looking at the number that's left over. So it's as if we say 12 o'clock, then we say 1 o'clock instead of 13 o'clock, because we're starting from 0 over again.
Yeah, we're going, just like you said, we're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then this is 10.
Yeah.
1 plus 0 is 1, 11, 1 and 1 is 2.
After you divide 9 into 10, you get 1 left over. So it's the excess of going around the clock once.
Well, Barney's going to be very thankful. He's our host, and we've been trying to get somebody to explain it clearly, and he just did it for us.
Yeah, so when you're dividing, it turns out that you can just add the numbers, the digits together, and do your mod 9 arithmetic that way.
By adding them together?
By adding 1 and 6, you get the same as if you divided
Right.
9 into 16 and you look at the remainder. It works. I mean, and it's not too hard to show that either,
Right.
mathematically.
Right. And you just did it real well. Thank you. So the reason I'm reducing these to single-digit numbers for you, everybody, is because I'm going to show you how to look at time. I I could explain it more, but I'm going to be short word. Okay. So 16 doubled is 32. And I really mean see time. When I say look, everything I'm saying, I mean literally. And 3 plus 2 is 5. Everyone following that? This is a steel rail. You must stay on it. It's a train track. You can't go off it. Okay? Now 32 doubled is 64. And 6 and 4 is 10 is 1. Back to 1. 128, 11, 2. 256, 13, 4. 5, 12, 8. 1024, 7. Etc. It'll go on infinitely, of course. Everyone follow that? Okay. Remember, I'm trying to show you how from the inside it crosses the axis, that it's very important that I'm trying to show you there's something inside it. There's something in the middle. Okay? No one's ever been able to see this inside the middle before. Okay? Okay. Now, assistant Judy, please.